Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. Today's video we are going to continue with our adding and removing softwares using the apt command, the apt-get install command. In the previous video, we learned how we can remove a software from our Linux distribution and how we can install or add software to our Linux distribution. In that video, we install a software called Fish. It's a shell. Okay, so let's first check if it was able to install successfully. So let's change the shell to Fish. Or we can first check it to the shells directory. Yeah, Fish is now here. So let me switch from this shell to Fish shell. So just type Fish. Yeah, that's how the Fish shell work. Welcome to Fish. Friendly interactive share. Type here for instructions on how. So that's how it works. So we are now in the Fish share. Okay. So that's how you can use the apt-get command to do this. Okay. In the previous video, we said for you to install something onto your Kali Linux distribution, that software package or that software have to be in the repository. And we said the repository is where the distribution store its files. What if the package is not in the repository? You try using the apt-get command, but it doesn't work. What will you do? One solution is by editing your repository or adding a source list to your repository. The repository contains a specific server that all hacking tools and other softwares has been kept. So if you want to install them, use the apt, then it pull it from there. But what if that software that you want is not available in the repository? What will you do? Here we need to edit our source.list file and add the website or a backup server which contains the software that we want. So to edit your source.list file, you use any text editor that you want. So for this, I'm going to use the Nano text editor. Nano, then the location of the sources.list file. See, this is how I like using Fish. The Fish or the Fish program autocomplete your commands for you. So it is very easy to use. Even if you forget where it is, immediately you start typing, it will autocomplete it for you. That's why I like using the Fish shell. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, so this is the default repositories that we have. This is the default repositories that we have in our Kali Linux distribution that we are using. So we have the DB, then the where it fetch its sources and others. If you want, or if you have other repository that you want to add to this, you can just edit this and add it. It says it's unwritable because we don't have permission to edit, but we can assign permission for us to edit this. You have to know how you can go to the repository and edit your files. Okay, in some cases when you come to a repository file, you find some categories here. Here we see only main here. But in some we find universe, multiverse, restricted, and backport. The main contains supported open source softwares. So the open source software that our distribution supports, they are all in the main category. In others, we have the universe, which contains community maintained open source softwares. We also have the multiverse that contains software restricted by copyright or other legal issues. We also have restricted, which contain proprietary device drivers. Then we have the last category, that's backport, which contains packages from later releases. So you can edit this your source file to add different directory servers where your software can be pulled from. Okay, so this is how installation works. Let me close this. When you try installing something like sudo apt-get install fish, I've already installed it, but let's see something. Wrong password. Okay, it is already installed, that's why nothing shows. You can see reading package list, so it will go through your sources.list file to see if that software is available. Then it stops when it finds that software. So the list has been arranged in order. Let me open the source list again. Okay, so it will first go through the first source.list file. When the package is not there, then switch to them or move to the next one. So that's why it will be. So when you add a default one or you add your own one, it will go through the steps as in order to find the package that you are looking for. Okay, so this is a small video that I want to add to the first video that we did. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. In the next video, I will show you how you can use a GUI interface, a graphical user interface, to do installation. So keep in touch. Bye bye.